beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup look and it's on what I'm wearing today. I wanted to do something that was brown and the reason why is this photo that I saw. So I just took this picture as inspiration. I didn't do it exact, but I love the way this look came out. I'm just like, oh, it looks just so great. She has like brown eyes and I just felt like it made brown features pop, and I just think this would be gorgeous for another holiday party. It was really easy and I was able to try a couple new products that I wanted to play with on camera. I hope you guys enjoy these makeup tutorials. I know that these videos aren't everyone's favorite, but you know, makeup is where my YouTube channel started, so I'm going to be incorporating that, of course, and the pregnancy content. I will list all the products that I used on my face, of course, down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the makeup tutorials. I know that there's so many on YouTube and like no one watches mine anymore, but it's okay, whatever. If 3 of you watch, then I'm doing right in the world. I won't keep you. This also is voiceover. Which do you guys prefer? Do you guys like talk throughs or voiceovers? I feel like voiceovers are easier. Let me know. Anyways, let's get into the video. All right, we're gonna go in with this new Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. I've used it for a week now. I'm loving this. It's like a heavy duty, thicker primer for those areas maybe you have larger pores, deep fine lines. Perfect for that, loving it. Then I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and this is like for real heavy duty, girl. It's heavy duty, lasts forever, and I'm just using a dampened beauty blender to blend it out all over my face. Then I'm using this warm Sigma palette, and then I'm gonna take those shades and just apply them in my crease. The eyeshadow look that I'm creating today is just warm colors, and there was a slight shimmer on the lid, so that's what I did. I just worked up the creases. And I also use these new HUDA beauty palettes, applied those to my lids. I'm not really doing this in a tutorial style, like telling you, like you can see what I'm doing, because I feel like you guys are pros by this point. And then just blend out all those colors together. And this is what I'm talking about. I applied that shimmery color just on the lid because there was a wash of shimmer. You should totally try that, by the way. Put a matte color first and then a shimmer on top, and it just, I don't know, it gave a washed shimmer effect instead of a solid through and through. Okay, so this Super Stick Foundation is no bueno for contouring. As you'll see in a minute, I gave it a chance. I'm like, nah, not gonna work. And when I blended it out, it was too dry. You see how patchy it is? And it wasn't spreading out nicely. And it could be because I used the, what is it? The Double Wear, so it's like a thicker, drier foundation. But no, I don't prefer this foundation as a contouring foundation. I still have yet to try it as a regular foundation, but I would not buy it for contour. Under eye concealer using the ColourPop, what is this? No Filter concealer. Oh, this is a great concealer. It's super affordable. I would totally try it if you're on the market. And just blending it out with a dampened beauty blender. And I just like taking what's extra and applying it to like my forehead and my chin, underneath my nose. I'm super veiny on my nose, and yeah, just apply that to where you'd like. Huda Beauty powder in banana bread, going to set my under eyes. You don't have to do this. Actually, find that if you have like really fine, dry under eyes, and by fine, I'm sorry, fine lines, then I don't know if I would set it with this much powder, but you know, me, I go ham. Same colors that we took on the lid, I do on the lower lash line. In the photo, she's really deep and dark, but I personally like to add some like shimmer, so you'll see me add some shimmer. And she didn't have wing liner, but she had a dark line on her lash line, so that's what I did. Brown liner on the bottom she had. It looked dark on the lower lash line, but not black, you know? It was really nice. And then this Hourglass bronzer, I've been obsessed with it lately since I rediscovered it. It just makes me look bronze and highlighted at the same time, and like I'm glowing. Like channeling our inner J-Lo. Yeah, whatever. But, right? It's beautiful. This Hot Mama bronzer, or blush by The Balm, sorry. It's just like a nice flush shade.
If you looked at the picture, she had like a really noticeable peach tone to her cheek, and it just complemented the browns very, very well. So that's why I went in with another shade. Then I went in with this Naked Skin with the darkest shade just to deepen our cheeks a little more. Her cheeks look structured, so I'm like, I need to look structured. She's just gorgeous in general, so yeah, I really like the way the makeup looked like. And then apply under your chin and then just blend it all out, of course. Next, we are going in with this Marc Jacobs highlight. It's like such a true gold. I really, really love it. She didn't have highlight on her face from the picture, but I can't skip out on highlight. I don't feel like me if I'm not wearing highlight. And then she didn't have inner corner highlight either, but again, I can't live life without an inner corner highlight. So I just tweak this to my liking, and then I set my face, of course. And lately I've been like bathing in setting spray, and I swear to God, it makes such a huge difference in the cakiness level. Like if you feel like you look cakey, do your face a lot with some spray. All right, so for lip liner, I used the Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in Rich Chocolate, and then this lip color is Tarte's Lippy Lingerie.
Right, and this is the complete look. I really love the way it turned out. I am like all for some browns. I feel like it just looks so wonderful on like every skin tone, different eye colors, and yeah. This is the look that I came out with. Thank you so much for watching the video. As always, don't forget I left all the products listed down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. No pressure, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.